And this is Netflix daily time frame. Netflix took a breath today with a almost 2% negative day. That wasn't good news for the Bulls, but it was kind of a little overextended. It was outside the channel. As I said, when it gets outside the channel, you don't want to chase the movement. However, positive signs here. Let's see. We have the 20 days moving average above the 50 days moving average. I'm talking about the double exponential moving average. And so that is a good sign. Negative sign, the price closed below the 5 days moving average. So that is not a good sign. Volume. Let's see volume. I'll try to make it quick this video. Let's see volume. Volume, we kind of entered this area last week where there is basically no volume over here. Basically volume is fading, right? So the peak of the volume is over here around 290. So that's where you're gonna see a lot of buyers stepping in. So it had a straight move to the upside. Also, Netflix has earnings this week. What day? On the 19. So 19. And so there is too much risk. Uh, also, when we look at other indicators such as the MACD is making a bearish divergence, and that I explained in my last video what a bearish divergence is. We have we have a high, lower high, lower high, lower high. And what do we have on the chart? We have a high, higher high, higher high, higher high, higher high. So that is a bearish divergence. The same thing happened on the PMO, this indicator down here. There it is. High, lower high, lower high, lower high. And so I do believe that Netflix is due for a pullback, maybe a significant one. We'll see. We'll see if that is the case. I definitely wouldn't buy over here for the Bulls, but if something, I would enter a short position because, in my opinion, the downside potential here is higher than the upside potential. The risk reward is more in favor to the Bears. What level I will watch? Well, this could be just this literally could go down over here and then bounce up some more, and this would make the case for the Bulls. But we don't know if that is going to happen or not. Again, we had bearish divergence over here and over here and over here. So definitely I expect to pull back. How sharp this is going to be, I don't know, but I'm looking to probably enter short position. And also the reason is that if we look at the last thing, which is the trend is down, as you can see from this blue channel, and we are at the top of the channel. So what happens when you are at the top of the channel? Usually it tends to go down, and vice versa. When you are at the bottom of the channel, it tends to go up. So here, risk reward in favor of the Bears. There is one thing that I want to show you really, really quick. On the 50 minutes time frame, there was a huge opportunity today for a day trade. And there it is. I'm going to zoom in and I'm going to show you this. I made also a short, a short on YouTube if you want to see. So here we are on the 15 minutes time frame. We have this incredible opportunity. Why is incredible? Well, the price has been flat for about an hour or an hour and 30 minutes. And over here, we had, I want to zoom in some more because I really want to show you guys how I like to trade. So I got to zoom in. There it is. Okay, over here we have white line, 5 days double exponential moving average. Green line, 20 days double exponential moving average. Red line, 50 days double exponential moving average. Now, over here there was 1230. What happened at 12:30? There it is. Too big. I don't know why it made it so big. 12:30. There it is. The 5 days moving average crossed above the 20 days moving average, and also the price of the stock went above both lines. So this is a huge opportunity to buy short term, to make a scalp. So to buy over here, and then you would have been in the trade for 15, 30, 40 minutes, 45 minutes. I wouldn't even consider the last candle, because somebody can say, oh well, easy to say now, once after the trade has happened. Well, no, you don't have to wait, and you don't have to measure to the top, right? You don't have to measure over here. But let's say, okay, we have been 45 minutes in the trade, we have crossed above the 50 days double exponential moving average. At some point, you've got to take profit, right? And so if you would have entered here, at some point when it crossed above, we would have been at 324 and a half, and we would have sold probably at 327 and a half. See, I don't even go all the way up. That is $3 move in 45 minutes. Huge, huge opportunity to scalp and make money. So that's it for today with Netflix. We'll talk another day.